Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Rama. Today we are making this wonderful hair butter that has so much great benefits for your hair. If you want to grow healthy, long, full, thick hair, you need to use product that will stop your hair from breaking, that will help you retain length, and this butter will do just that. On my channel, I made this wonderful herbal-infused oil. It's full of herbs and plants that are wonderful and great benefit for your hair. And I said, well, it is a wonderful idea to incorporate this into a hair butter so that all your hair will benefit from this oil. First things first, guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please go ahead and click on that subscribe button so you can join the family. It is a great way to support my channel and help me grow. Without further ado, let's get started. So I am going to start by measuring my my butters and oils. And I will be starting with some mango butter. Mango butter helps seals moisture into your hair, reducing breakage and hair loss by strengthening hair follicles, thereby encouraging the growth of stronger, healthier hair. The next butter I added was kokum butter. Kokum butter is a very fantastic natural ingredient for restoring dry, damaged hair, and it contains vitamin E, which helps nourish and strengthen your hair follicles, supporting healthy hair development and reduce hair breakage. The next butter I'm adding is shea butter. Shea butter is rich in fatty acid and other nutrients that are very important in maintaining a healthy scalp and healthy hair. It's high in vitamin A, vitamin E, vitamin F, which helps keeps hair soft and moisturized, especially for those of us with naturally curly hair who will experience more drier hair and more drier scalp. The next oil I'm adding is our herbal-infused oil. This oil is packed with all the natural plants and herbs that are beneficial for our hair. This oil will stop hair loss, hair balding, hair breakage. Please go ahead and check out the video on my channel on how I made this wonderful oil and all the benefits of each one of the ingredients in it. All the info about this video, all the measurement, all the oils that I add and butter will be inside the description down below, so please check it out for your information. Okay, the next oil is carrot oil. Carrot oil provides tons of great benefits for both hair and scalp. It encourages hair growth, prevent hair loss, and the creation of split ends. It eliminates dandruff and dry scalp. Better yet, it also maintains moisture level on hair and scalp too. So at this point, all of our oils and butter are all ready. What we need to do now is take it to a double boiler method and melt this oil all together until it becomes liquid. So our oil is all melted now. So next step that I'm going to do is take this to the freezer and freeze it for about 30 minutes until it's somehow solid. It's not completely rock solid, but just firm enough to start whipping. So as you can see here, the oil is still kind of soft, but very it's soft and hard at the same time, so it's really ready to be whipped. You can use your hand mixer, and I am going to go ahead and switch out this hand mixer because I don't know what I was thinking, it's not strong enough. So I am going to use this one instead, and all you do at this time is just go ahead and whip and whip and whip until your butter becomes fluffy and thin as air. So it's been about maybe 8 minutes of me whipping, and it's time to add other ingredients. So I am going to add vitamin E oil, the next oil I'm adding is rosemary oil, and those are just for fragrances as well. I like the rosemary smell, so I am adding about 5 drops of rosemary oil. The next oil I'm adding is lavender, and I'm adding about 5 drops of lavender, and those oils are not just great for their fragrances, they are also very powerful ingredients when it comes to stimulating blood flow into your hair and help growing healthy hair. Guys, just look at this butter. It is so fluffy, so light. It's almost like, oh, it is so delicious right now. It looks so delicious. It looks like something I want to start eating. But it is not for eating. This is for your hair. And once your butter is at this point of fluffy and nice and airy, it is time to start using it. Just go ahead and find yourself a nice container and bottle this butter and start using it on your hair. And the butter here does not require a preservative because it does not have any water content on it. As long as it doesn't have any water on it, you do not need a preservative. Vitamin E at this point is totally sufficient. And if you have been watching all the way till here, I really want to thank you so much for being here. Please go ahead and just click on that subscribe button. It doesn't hurt. And just support my channel. This is a great way to show me your support, help my channel grow. So please go ahead and click on the subscribe button, join the family. In this channel, I do hair videos, I do DIYs for hair growth, and also DIYs on skin. So join the family, guys, and don't forget to click on the notification button as well so that you do not miss any other video from me. So these guys can be applied or either wet or either wet or dry hair or straight hair. It doesn't matter. If you have straighter hair, you might want to apply smaller amounts so you don't weigh your hair down. Just a little bit goes a long way. Make sure you get all your strands. Make sure you get your ends very well, and you just style your hair as usual. That is it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to hit on that subscribe button and join the family. Please give me a thumbs up as well if you do appreciate this video. Don't forget to share with your friends and family. Don't forget to leave me comments if you have any question. Until next time, I will see you on my next video. Thank you. Bye.